In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the RSS widget to your WordPress website. If you're looking to enrich your site with fresh content streams directly from various sources, then integrating an RSS widget is an efficient way to go. Now let's dive into the process step by step to enhance your website with this powerful feature. First things first, we need to head over to your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log into your account prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on Login. By providing an intuitive and user-friendly platform, WordPress makes it really easy for site owners to manage their content. Now, you'll want to proceed by selecting Continue with Google, which is one of the simplest ways to access your account if you've linked it to your Google account. This saves you from the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you click on this option, you'll be greeted by a list of Google accounts. Select the Google account that's associated with your WordPress website to confidently move forward. After signing in, you'll notice a panel on the right side of your screen containing quick links. Here, you're going to want to click on Edit Site. This selection will take you to the back end of your WordPress site, where all the customization magic happens. Now moving to the top left corner of the screen, you'll find an Add button. Go ahead and click on this button to add a new block to your web page. This is where we start integrating the RSS widget into your website. When you click Add, a search bar will appear, allowing you to search for different types of blocks you can incorporate. Start typing RSS into the search bar. WordPress will suggest an RSS block and you'll see it pop up as one of the selections. Click on RSS from the options provided. Once you've done this, the RSS widget is now part of your web page, ready to be customized with whichever feed you desire. This simple integration allows you to keep your visitors updated with the latest news or blog posts from other sites directly from your own page, enhancing the user experience and keeping your content dynamic and continuously compelling. And that's it. You've successfully added the RSS widget to your WordPress site. Remember, leveraging easy-to-use tools like these not only enriches your content, but also keeps your audience engaged with the most current information available. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any comments or further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next one.